This video is going to look at using Pythagorean theorem in a different way to help us find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate grid. The steps that we're going to use to find the distance between 2 points is first graph the points on the grid. Then we're going to connect the 2 points to form our right triangle. And then once we have that shape, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to help us get the distance between the 2 given points. So the first thing I'm going to do is graph the 2 dots. Okay, -6, +4. I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, and then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's right there. Let's double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's point A. Okay, now I'm going to graph point B, which is +5, +1. So I would go over to the right 5 and up 1 and put a dot. That's a little bit high, but pretty close. Then I'm going to connect them to get basically my slope. That's my A and my B, or my legs. If I count the quantity that the box goes, 1, 2, 3. So that side is a value of 3. Then going horizontally, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then the measurement that I don't know, which is the actual distance just between the 2 points, is my slanted diagonal line. I don't know. Okay, this is C. It doesn't matter between A and B which one you label them, but now I am ready to find out what the value of C is. So A squared would be 3. 11 is going to be my B, and then C we don't know. So 3 times 3 is 9. 11 times 11 is 121, and then C squared. So 9 plus 121 is 130, and then I have C squared. So when you do square root now of 130, it's approximately 11.401. So if you round to the tenths or you round to the hundredths, 11.4 or 11.40. So again, the first thing I need to do is graph the 2 points, which I've already done on here. -2, 6, went to the left 2, and then up 6. And then point D, -2, -2, I went to the left 2 and down 2. So these lines actually line up vertically, or the points. So all I really need to do is count the boxes going down. If I were to connect them, they just make a straight line. And because the grid is there, I can just count the boxes for this one. So I don't actually have to do this last step because I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the distance between these 2 points would just be 8. And then I don't have to do this one because it was either a vertical or horizontal line. You can just count